Hey, Jeff here again. I put together this budgeting spreadsheet. I just want to show you how to make a budget in Excel. This is for a dual income family, a missed income in case you retired from a previous position and you want to track that income. The tax rate is 22%. I put 22% up here. You basically you can put any percentage you want, 20%, and it calculates down here. And I'll show you how that connects together. Taxes is right here. So you've got your income, 83,000 multiplied by your tax rate, 22%. Uh, Net income will be your total income minus your taxes. That's your net income. I also have it broken out by month, and breaking it out by month makes it easier to track your bills. So we've got the main bills that you're going to see on a monthly basis. You got your power bill, your water bill, your internet, cell, any miscellaneous bills that you might have. I decided to put that in there, and then groceries and food. I estimated that I was very conservative, $800, and then a $1,500 mortgage. That totals up all your bills through about $3,100 a month. Carried over here, you've got $564 joint weekly excess money that you can that you have on the side after you have paid all your bills. Monthly, about $2,500, and then I broke it out into each income. So, say for example, I wanted my wife and I have separate incomes. We have separate checking accounts. So if we wanted to track that, we can we each can say, okay, I'm saving $1,200 a month. It's not saving $1,200. I have $1,200 a month left over. And then I just added it all up for 12 months for a year, and that's basically taking the monthly excess for the joint, multiplying it by 12. This is right here. This is just you can enter any number you want in here. Joint savings account, personal savings account one, personal savings account two, and that's just a way to track all the savings that you have. And you can open up Excel, see how much you have in savings in case you have some big expenses coming up. For income, you're taking D3 right here, which is your hourly rate, and you're multiplying it by F4, hourly rate multiplied by hours per week, 40 hours per week, and that's going to give you times 52 weeks in a year, 41,600 annually. Monthly, we're just taking that number and dividing it by 12. You can figure out what your paychecks are going to be if you work 40 hours a week, then you're essentially working 2,080 hours a year. But you can, if you get paid bi-weekly, you get paid every 2 weeks. You can basically take this hourly rate and you can multiply it by 80, and you can estimate that, okay, your paychecks are going to be before taxes about $1,600. And that's all I've got to show you. This is pretty easy, pretty basic spreadsheet. Basically, you just type in the information down here. The formatting, you can format how you want to. As you can see, paint bucket there goes away. If you need to undo, just click the undo button. And that's it. Thanks.